In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can share a YouTube channel with someone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to share your YouTube channel with someone, you just want to log into YouTube and make sure you're on the correct account where you want to share with someone. And then what you want to do is go to your profile icon there at the top right hand corner, and you want to go to the YouTube studio. Okay, once the YouTube studio loads, okay, what you want to do is you want to come to the left hand side, and at the bottom it says settings. Okay, click onto settings, and there you'll see an option permissions. Click onto permissions, and right now you can see permissions for and then the channel name. So I'm the owner of the channel right now, but I can see there's an invite button there. If I click the invite button, I can enter someone's email address and select if they want to be a manager, an editor limited, a subtitle editor, a viewer, or just a viewer limited. So you can choose those, and then what you can do is click on done, and then the invite will be sent, and that's all you need to do. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.